Sweetpeas, and welcome to another day of the St. Patrick's Day series. Today I have some rather simple nail art featuring Glazes Work It Honey as the base color, and then we're also going to be using Glazes Merry Whatever as well. So first up, we're going to go ahead and apply the yellow polish. You could of course use any yellow polish of your choice at this point. I only really have two yellow polishes that I actually genuinely love, and this is one of them. So I'm doing that, and most times I would wear two coats, but since I'm doing nail art on top of it and it's like really close to being good in one coat, I'm just doing one coat since, like I said, nail art is going on top, which is taking us to this next little part of the video. So now I'm going in with some kind of grass green acrylic paint and a largish brush. It's actually a craft like paintbrush, not a nail art brush or anything, and I am creating 3 hearts pointing together to create my little clover. So it's a 3-leaf clover, not a 4-leaf clover. If you wanted to, you could go ahead and like hide one 4-leaf clover on your nail, but I just kind of stuck with a 3 because it made it easy and I could easily like replicate it multiple times instead of like having to really think about placement and everything. But I did about 3 clovers per nail. You could have some hanging off, or you could have them like all fully on the nail. It's up to you. I like the kind of on, kind of off placement. And then I'm going in with a short detailing brush that is the Orly short detailer brush. And I am putting in the kind of like stems for the clovers. And again, I have one hanging off the edge of my nail to make it look like it is a repeating pattern. Then in the negative space, I'm going to take a small dotting tool and that gold glitter that I showed you earlier that is called Merry Whatever by Glaze, and I'm going to dot that in every here and there. Like, there's no specific way to do that. I just kind of put it wherever I felt like I needed it. And then I applied a matte top coat that I forgot to film, and then that was my final look. So super easy design, great since we are getting closer to St. Patrick's Day if you need something quick. Also, this would be a fun just like on one nail and then like a glitter accent and then like 2 more of the creams. Like, that'd be really fun. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy design, and I will see you back here for another new video very, very soon. Bye!